All right, hi guys. So we're gonna take a look today at one of the show apartments. This is a 2-bedroom apartment for 1-bedroom apartment. Sorry, this is a 1-bedroom apartment in Sports in Danube Sportz. And Ghazi's gonna lead us through the apartment. So let me flip the camera.
So this is a 1-bedroom apartment in Sports. This is how the quality and the finishing looks like.
Okay.
We've got few type of 1-bedrooms. It's not a typical one.
Okay.
But yeah, by coming in or having a look at this video, you understand what kind of quality and what kind of finishing we are giving you. So if you see, it's a very spacious living room. All our kitchens will always be on the wall. So it gives, it's a very space-friendly thing, and it gives you a panoramic view of the living room there. And we've got one more option. I can tell you how it works. You can just imagine it. So we have 1 bedrooms which can be convertible into 2. We've got a very a collapsible door which you can pull it in this way.
Oh wow!
You can convert it into a 2-bedroom there. I've got an office option also there. So it's a 2-bedroom with office. Convertible, and I've got the powder room to your right.
Wow, very good finishes. These are standard finishes or these are upgrades?
These are standard finishes. This is how we hand over the project.
Wow. Okay. So you can see the quality. And this is all marble flooring, I guess?
Yes.
It's like a marble flooring. Amazing. Okay. Awesome.
Obviously, for a limited time, we're also giving you free furnish on this, so it's fully furnished.
Fully furnished.
Comes
Wow.
with the price.
The furnishings are similar to this?
Exactly like this.
Exactly like this.
Everything comes exactly like this.
Wow. And these are all built, these extra costs, these built-in cabinets?
Except for the television, everything will come with the unit.
Wow. Okay.
We can take a look at the master bedroom.
Okay.
And one thing of what I like about this units are the height. This is again 3.3 meters, but the actual units will be 3.6.
3.6,
so
okay.
3 meters again.
Okay. So 3.3 meters in feet is about 10 feet, 10, 11 feet high?
Yes.
Wow, okay.
And then we've got our walk-in closet and the bathroom there.
Okay. Okay, so you have a male, kind of like a male and a female walk-in closet. How does this compare to your other the new projects? Because obviously this is for sports, right? But is it a similar type of product with your other builds? I know Base 101 is a more luxury, maybe a further luxury product, but
even this comes under the category of luxury.
Okay.
But yeah, what difference you will see is they're trying to follow the concept of the project name, which is sports. So the colors will be more vibrant and the designing will be of that fashion.
Got it. I'm just gonna take a look quickly at the washroom. Okay. Look at the finishes, guys. This is amazing. Look at the shower stall. So they have even more luxury products than this, but this is very, very good. And you can see that they have it all the way to the ceiling, the tile, the marble backsplash. And you can see here, this is a 1-bedroom hall, kitchen, bath. Closets. A lot of closet space, both for the male and female. And as he mentioned, Ghazi, that these are furnished units, identical to what you see here is what you're going to be getting in the unit. And look at the finishes here on the wall. It's a textured wall, which is just amazing. You don't get this kind of finish here in Canada. It's just a basic kind of wall, drywall, but they really go above and beyond here in these units. Okay, this is the size of the living room. See all the cabinetry. So they have the electric stove too.
ده الروم بتاع السبورتس، نفس الديكورات تبع السبورتس. لما تيجي تشيل الديكور ده وتحط الديكور الاسود اللي جنبيك فاعرف ان الديكور الثاني هو بتاع الروم
You can see over here, these are all your buttons for your lights, your thermostat. This is your lights switch. Look at the sink here as well. Amazing, amazing finishes. This is the powder room. Look at the door. Look at the finishes of the door. Even the toilet, the flush is a gold flush. Amazing. And you can see the bedroom door over here.
Living room.